DevOps Training by Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. This course has been designed to help you become a professional in DevOps. In this video we will explain to you what our industry experts will train you in and how it will be beneficial for your career growth in cloud computing. Before that, we would like our viewers to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you receive our notification on your phone devices. This comprehensive training for DevOps has been designed by our industry experts in a manner that would help you learn DevOps and in various aspects of software development, operations, continuous integration, and many more. The objective of the course is to recognize terminology and concepts as they relate to the DevOps platform and navigate the DevOps Management Console. Understand the security measures DevOps provides and key concepts of DevOps Identity and Access Management, IAM. Understand the DevOps management tools, including auto-scaling, elastic load balancing, ELB, and DevOps Trusted Advisor. Our course content is as follows: Introduction to DevOps. In this context you will be explained on software development and its lifecycle, tradition models for software development lifecycle, DevOps lifecycle and tools. In the software version, our trainers will make you understand version controls and the types of it. Introduction to SVN and Git. Git lifecycle and common Git commands. Working with branches and Git merging branches. Resolving merge conflicts and Git workflow. In the containerization using Docker, Part 1, our trainers will explain to you about the introduction to Docker software and understanding the Docker lifecycle. Components of Docker ecosystem and creating a Docker. In Part 2, our trainers will explain Docker volumes, deploying a multi-tier application using Docker Network. Using Docker Compose to deploy containers. Introduction to Docker Swarm. In configuration management using Puppet, our trainers will explain to you the need of configuration management and tools. What is Puppet and Puppet architecture? Setting up master-slave using Puppet. In the configuration management using Ansible, you will learn what is Ansible, as well as Ansible architecture. Setting up master-slavio using Ansible. Applying configuration using Ansible. In continuous testing using Selenium, you will learn the introduction to Selenium, what Maven is, and using Maven with Selenium. Running test cases on Chromium WebDriver. In the continuous integration using Jenkins, you will be explained introduction to continuous integration, Jenkins master-slave architecture, understanding CI/CD pipelines, creating an end-to-end automated CI/CD pipeline. In the continuous orchestration using Kubernetes, our trainers will explain to you about the introduction to Kubernetes, deploying Kubernetes using kubedms, creating a deployment in Kubernetes using YAML, services in Kubernetes. In the continuous monitoring using Nagios, our trainers will explain to you what is continuous monitoring, Nagios architecture, monitoring services in Nagios, monitoring system info using NRPE plugins. Book your seat now to get the best DevOps training from our industry experts. Know the tips and tricks on how to pass DevOps exams.